One of the things my family loves to do on a family vacation might be an unpopular opinion for most. Hi, I'm Savannah with the Savy Suitcase, and if you want to know what we absolutely have to do on every Disney trip, no matter what, then stick around and find out. If you've ever planned a Disney World vacation, you know how easy it is to get caught up in trying to do absolutely everything. Rope drop the parks, book every lightning lane, hit every ride, maximize every minute. And don't get me wrong, I love park days. I mean, that's the whole reason why we're going to Disney World. But over the years, I realized my favorite Disney days aren't always spent in the parks. They're resort days. When we first started going to Disney, I felt like every day had to be packed. If we weren't in a park from open to close, I felt like we were wasting time and wasting our money. But now, some of our best family memories happen on days when we slow down. The first thing I love about resort days is that we get to sleep in. My family loves to sleep in. That may not be what your family wants to do. You might want to be up at the butt crack, and that's fine. That's what resort days are for. They're your day to do whatever you want. No alarms, no rushing around trying to get out the door, no stressing about making that first lightning lane reservation. We wake up naturally, take our time, and actually enjoy the morning. No one's getting aggravated because shoes aren't tied quick enough. No one's taking a last-minute poop. As we're stepping out the door, I'm talking to my husband there. He seems to do it every time. I still to this day don't get it, but whatever. We don't have to worry about it. It's amazing how much different a Disney vacation feels when you aren't starting your day stressed. Another thing we love doing is scheduling character breakfast or dinner on our resort day. We'll either eat at our resort or visit a nearby resort. This is one of my favorite Disney tips because it gives us something fun and special to do without feeling like we're racing against the clock. On park days, I always felt pressure. If dinner is at 5, are we going to miss a ride? Should we stay in the park longer? Can we make it in time? How long does it take to get from point A to point B on the Skyliner so we can make that reservation? On resort days, none of that exists. We can simply just enjoy the meal, meet the characters, take our time. Then there are the pools. Disney pools are seriously underrated, in my opinion. Every resort has its own theme and its own personality. My kids could spend hours swimming, playing games, and enjoying the water. And honestly, sometimes I think they enjoy pool days just as much as they enjoy the parks. It never fails. Every trip when we were in the park, Mommy, when are we going to go back to the resort? And I'm thinking, why did I just spend all this money to come to the parks? We should just go to the resort and that be it. One of my favorite things about Disney resorts is that there are so many little activities happening throughout the day that people just don't even realize exist. Pool games, movies, arts and crafts, resort activities, campfires. We were walking one evening from the pool back to our room and there was a silent disco with light up hula hoops. My kids loved that and it was just magic that was completely unexpected and randomly happening, and we love stumbling across things like that. There is always something going on, and when it's in the middle of summer and 95 degrees out, spending some time in the air condition becomes pretty magical too and keeps your sanity intact. One of my favorite resort day traditions is finding a comfortable spot, cooling off, and watching old school Mickey cartoons. It is just cherry on top, especially with some food in bed. Girl, it's simple, it's relaxing, and it reminds me why I love Disney in the first place. We also love exploring the resorts. Every Disney resort feels like its own destination. You can walk around, look at all the details, check out all the gift shops, and just take in everything. There are so many little hidden details everywhere, and it doesn't matter, value, moderate, deluxe, they're everywhere. Just enjoy your day. And of course, no resort day is complete without a stop at the arcade. I don't know what it is, but somehow every Disney arcade becomes a must-do activity for our family. At the end of the day, resort days allow us to slow down and enjoy our vacation instead of trying to conquer it, which I think a lot of people mistakenly do and just forget to enjoy the time that they have looked so forward to every trip. Don't get me wrong, we still love the parks, but some of our favorite memories weren't made on a ride. They were made floating in a pool, laughing in an arcade, watching Mickey cartoons, exploring a resort, and simply just spending time together. So if you're planning a Disney vacation, my advice is this: leave room for a resort stay. You might be surprised to find that it becomes your favorite day of the entire trip.